Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today's video makes me really uncomfortable, but I'm gonna do it for you. So today we are trying on a whole bunch of clothes I got from Rosegal. Some of the things in my order are like out of stock, I guess, and they didn't come, but they like eventually will come when they come back in stock. But for the most part, I got everything that I ordered, and I have a whole bunch of packages today. We're going to try these things on and see if they're good quality. I'm really nervous because I am super insecure about my body. I feel like I've gained way too much weight in the past couple years, and I am super uncomfortable with showing my body on camera. We're gonna do it so that way if I can do it, you guys, maybe you'll feel better about yourselves being like, okay, not everyone on the internet is a complete stick figure, because I'm totally not. So let's do this. Also, I'm not sure about the cinematography in this video. The intro looks normal, but fun fact, this is not a real wall behind me. It's not, so I don't know where I'm gonna film this try-on portion. We'll see. If the lighting or whatever's bad, I'm sorry, but maybe you'll see me a little bit less and I'll feel a little more comfortable. Who knows? But we're gonna see if these clothes are actually good quality or not, because they're really affordable and they have like a million different things on the website. It was really hard to narrow down what I wanted. So hopefully they fit and they look nice and they're not gonna fall apart on me. Yay! Alright, so I have to film in this little like bathroom hallway. You're on top of my bathroom sink right now. We'll see how this works out, and hopefully you can hear me and see me and stuff. But I got a whole bunch of packages. This is the one I'm concerned about the most because it seems really thick. I'm going to include the picture shown on the website when I ordered it on the screen while I'm wearing it too, so you can see if it looks the same. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I tried one of these on already, full disclosure, because I was curious as to how it would look, and it looked okay. But the rest of them, this is the first impressions, and let's go ahead and get started with the first thing. Alright, so this is the one I tried on earlier. That's why I didn't take it out of the bag, because I already tried this on. But this is so cute. So it's like my perfect mid-length, like right above the knee, which I love, because it covers up my thighs and stuff, but it's not super short where it looks like I'm trying to hide something. And then I have these like little sleevey sleeves, and it's really cute. Well, I guess it's not technically a sleeve, but it just drapes over it, and I feel so cute. I kind of feel like I'm hiding. I have a little bit of a built-in shawl right here, and then this is what the back looks like. It's so cute. I love this. It's a very stretchy kind of material. It's kind of a stretchy, it feels very thin and lightweight, so I don't feel like I'm going to sweat in this a bunch. I was thinking about wearing this on a date the other night, but I was like, I don't know if this is like appropriate, because it looks like I'm hiding something. Maybe I should be like more flattering, but I feel so cute. I love this so much. And yeah, it makes me optimistic about the other things, but like also this could be the one thing I like, who knows, because these little try-on videos I do sometimes, very rarely, always end up me being like, all the time, but I feel so cute in this. Like, I love this one. This one's super cute. So next up is this black and white dress that I got because it reminded me of like Beetlejuice and like Tim Burton and stuff. So this is the dress. Ooh, it's hella wrinkly. So it like buttons down the middle and like ties to the thing. I'm gonna try this one on now, but it's so wrinkly, like it needs to be needs to be handled up a little bit. Okay, so I want to point out that usually when I go shopping I wear a medium and once in a while a large to cover my big butt. But for these I ordered a large and a couple things in extra large. Things that looked like they had a really tiny like hip area, I ordered an extra large. The sizing chart looks like that's might be what I need anyways, but I ordered a large unless it was like small hips, and then I ordered a extra large, so we'll see. Plus everything online always runs really small, especially when it's not coming from the US. I feel like everything runs really tiny. Alright, so this is the length. It covers my knee of this striped dress. It's so wrinkly and it's big. It needs to be tucked in like a bunch, like 2 inches off my waist here, because this looks super wide and like big and it should be smaller. Maybe with a belt it'd be okay, but the back is super unflattering. Like it gives me like a little bit of a poofy bubble butt. Like it just does nothing for me flattering wise. This is a total terrible fit. This bow up top and everything, the buttony thing looks super cute. Like I feel cute about that. So this up is cute. This down is super unflattering. Like, look at this. Oh my god, what is this? I mean, it's, if it was a right fit, it'd be cute. If it was unwrinkly, it'd be cute, but it's super big and kind of unflattering, so I'm not crazy about it. I like the idea of it though. Alright, so this next thing, I don't know what it is. Whew. Sorry about choked to death. What is this? Okay, so it's another black dress. Obviously, I ordered a lot of black and a lot of white because I can wear this thing to work. This is what it looks like. It's just kind of a basic little slip dress. This one's very stretchy, thin material, so we'll see if it fits because this is a big one, I think. Yeah, this is an extra large. It's very stretchy, so maybe I should have ordered a smaller size with this one. We'll see when I try it on. Alright, so this next thing is a little big. Let me show you the length. Covers my knee. It's a little bit longer than I'm used to. It's a little big, just because like I feel like it's a lot of loose fabric up top. It's kind of like showing my bra if I bend over and do anything. The like shoulders and stuff are very loose. It feels pretty comfortable around the waist. It could be slightly tighter, like right here. There's a little bit of fabric if I move the right way, but overall it's not a bad fit. I think overall I could wear this to work and be fine, but I do wish it was like a little bit less fabric up here. Maybe I could hem it to be tighter up top or something. I don't know, but overall it's a cute fit. This is what the back looks like. Just a standard like slip dress. It's pretty stretchy. Not mad about this one. It's pretty cute. Alright, so this is the length of the next one. It's right on, like right below my knee. The bottom design with the flowers and the cactus and stuff is so cute, and I love the black and white checkerboard with the like diamonds across the waist. It's super cute. The top though, what is this fit? It's this neck thing. I have so much extra neck strap. It's ridiculous. I have it buttoned behind my neck and it should be tight like this, and that might be kind of cute. Like this might be a moment, but like with this extra strap, it's like a lot. So maybe I could customize it and like cut the strap shorter and add my own buttons behind my neck, or maybe just cut the buttons off and tie it back there to make it tighter. That might be kind of cute. Like little moment with like, I don't think the back's very flattering to my butt at all, or like my waist. Like I don't think that's very cute at all, but like I love the design of the dress. It's totally my style, like black and white with a little bit of color in there. Like I love that. I just need this top to be a better fit, but the fabric feels pretty nice. This kind of feels like a tablecloth, but this feels like a good material. I was totally just groping myself for a second. What was that? This feels like a nice material. This feels like a tablecloth, but I don't care. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. So I'm happy with this. I just need to customize the top of it a little bit to make it work. Alright. I love this one so much. I should have got a size smaller for this one because I feel like it should be tighter on me. But I'm living my best life right now, you guys. So this is the dress. The next dress. It has the beautiful bell sleeves. I live for bell sleeves. They're like one of my favorite things ever. I currently only have one dress that I wear all the time that has one of these sleeves, and I love it so much. Look at this beautiful lace. Like there's like frilly lace around the neck. We have these little straps. This is my bra strap, but these are the regular straps. They kind of just go right over it. It's so cute. It's so cute. I love that this kind of goes down to a heart shape, and it's, you can't see my bra through it, which is great. This is the back, which just has the little straps. I love this so much. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, I wish it was a tiny bit smaller. I do. I love this. It feels good. It's like a nice silky kind of soft material with a little bit of stretch to it. That's why I kind of wish it was smaller. The bottom has like these drapes to it. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 little like drapey pieces at the bottom here. I love everything about this. This is beautiful. I'm gonna wear it every day. It does look like it's gonna hold a wrinkle though. That's the only thing. But other than that, like, this is what I wish I could wear every day of my life. Like, I live for this. The lace looks really nicely made. Like, it's not coming apart or anything. This frilliness is super cute too. One of my favorite movies ever is Interviews with a Vampire, and I feel like I'm living that life right now. And I love it. So expect to see me in this all the time if you see me out and about, because I loved it so much. Except my shoulders have a little bit of meat to them, so you can kind of see the meat in this dress, but it's okay. I love it. I don't know. Oh, look. We're partners in crime. She likes it too. Don't you, baby? Don't you, Azzy? We're partners in crime. We're partners in crime. We're not doing crime though. We're nice, law-abiding citizens, aren't we, babe? I don't know. We're happy to be together in this little outfit. Alright, this is the last thing. It weighs several pounds. Do not weigh yourself in this outfit. It is like straight up heavy as crap. I can't get it on. The back is unzipped because I can't get it on. It'd be cute in concept. I'm burning up in this dress. This is a total fail. I don't know what this is. I hate it. Alright guys, so I'm back in my normal clothing now, not from Rosegal, and I just want to say I think this is like a half and half successful kind of haul. I love the black and white like little pinup dress. I love the first one we tried on with the stars and the moons and the little built-in shawl. That was super cute, and I love the flowy arm ones. Not a fan of the black and white striped dress we tried on that had like no shape and button down the middle. I'm not really a fan of the see-through one with the weird lace top thing that cut into my armpits. I'm not a fan of that one either. And then the black just kind of draped down regular dress was like okay, but again the top was a little bit loose, but I could still wear it. So overall I think it's pretty successful. I'm very impressed with the items that I do like from Rosegal. It's better than like Shein or a couple other websites that I've tried before, like Romwe. I've had better success with this haul I think than any other like fast fashion kind of haul thing before. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I cannot wait. Like hopefully the rest of my items come, because they kind of remind me of that star dress. They're kind of like those cute small ones, and I'm hoping I like them as much as I like that one because I absolutely love the fabric. It's all stretchy and super cute. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you've tried this site, let me know your success rate with it. Do you like it better than the other sites that you've tried in your past? Love to know. Thank you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.